How to remove suggestions on Opera GX. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open up any web browser and here you want to search for Opera GX. Now you want to click on this exact website. Then click on Download Opera GX. Once you do that, your download will begin. Now you just have to wait for some time and then install the downloaded Opera GX. After this is going to open up. Now click on the gear icon, which is going to open up your settings. Once you're on your settings, you want to click on the search bar and now search for Start Page. Now you're going to find the topic of Start Page here. Scroll down and find the option of Show Speed Dial Suggestions. As you can see, this option is toggled on, which means the suggestions are now being shown. If you want to disable it, then simply toggle this button off. Once you have toggled it, you have successfully removed suggestions from Opera GX, and that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.